The chocolate trend is taking the world by storm as a Nutella alternative. Honestly, it tastes amazing and you can make it without sugar. Can you imagine, folks? There's nothing better or tastier than this, and without cocoa too. My dears, if you received the video as a start, don't forget to like, share the video and comment even with a dot so that any new recipe I make reaches you immediately. We will make the best Nutella alternative literally. Now take any type of chocolate you have, grate it and put in 2 cups. Now we also need to add 2 cups of milk, liquid milk. The cup size I used is 250 milliliters. You can use a smaller amount, it's fine. You can just use 1 cup. And now we need to add about 2 cups of biscuits. All right, my dears, now we need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, optional. This trending recipe is made without any sugar at all, but I added sugar, my dears. Now I also added 2 tablespoons of butter here. These are all the ingredients, can you imagine? The butter gives it a deliciousness that can't be beaten and adds a very nice shine. Of course, my dears, a very important note. The milk must be hot, meaning boil it on the stove and use it so that the biscuits and these things dissolve immediately. You understand me? We stirred it very well, going back and forth, keeping on stirring until we make sure the whole mixture has dissolved. See how it looks like this? Once we ensure the whole mixture has dissolved, we need to get a pot, pour it into the pot and cook it on the stove for about 5 to 8 minutes, no more. Honestly, believe me, when I tried it and tasted it, it turned out very delicious and tasty. Now here I turned on the heat and kept stirring it continuously, just letting it reach the beginning of boiling, and then I immediately turned it off. Of course, I made baklava for you yesterday. Go watch it. It's very nice and easy. Really, really, you will love it. And the karakti and the fox, there are many recipes I'm sharing with you. Now here we need to get our blender or food processor and start making it. Now with a good blend, trust me, you will get a perfect texture, literally. Its texture is excellent. Its taste is excellent. For people who don't like sugar, as we said, don't add sugar. Its shine is due to the butter. The texture is excellent, amazing, everyone. Now, of course, you can use it for cakes or children's sandwiches, no problem. Look, you will say it tastes like Nutella. Nutella, no, of course not. But believe me, the chocolate is an alternative to Nutella and tastes very delicious. And the taste of the biscuit in it, guys, is very delicious. I don't know how to describe it to you. Believe me, really, my dears, if it wasn't tasty and turned out delicious, I wouldn't have told you. I would have said it's just okay. But since I saw it trending and causing a stir, I decided to try it and tell you the truth about it. I mean, it's not my invention in the end. And when I tried it, I actually found the taste of the biscuit in it to be really amazing, giving it a very good flavor. I recommend you try it, even if you want to try a cup and love it a lot, and pray for me for it and repeat it again. You can use it as a filling for cake or biscuits. Oh, donuts, you will love it a lot, God willing. Look, it's so rich and shiny. Put it in a storage container or a jar and use it whenever you like.